think your toolbox is complete? Think again. In this video, we're revealing 15 next-level tools that every handyman should have. Advanced, efficient, and incredibly smart tools designed to take your DIY game to a whole new level. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time pro, these gadgets will save you time, boost your precision, and make every project smoother. And wait until you see number 11. It's a total game changer that most pros still don't know exists. Without further ado, let's get started. Accurate alignment and stud detection are essential for smooth, mistake-free wall installations. Introducing the Craftsman Laser Level Stud Sensor, a compact tool that combines two crucial functions. It projects level horizontal or vertical laser lines and locates studs behind walls. With precision of plus or minus 1/8 inch and detection up to 3/4 of an inch deep, it's perfect for hanging shelves or mirrors. A visible green laser makes lines easy to read even in daylight. For stud finding, LED lights and audible beeps provide feedback, reducing guesswork. Powered by two AA batteries, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Ideal for both DIYers and professionals, this all-in-one tool enhances accuracy, efficiency, and confidence, making wall tasks quicker and more reliable. Cutting through wood, metal, or plastic during remodeling and demolition can be slow and difficult without the right tool. Introducing the Hart Brushless Reciprocating Saw, built for fast, controlled, and precise cutting. With a variable speed trigger delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute, it adapts smoothly to different materials. The 7/8 inch stroke length ensures quicker cuts, and the adjustable pivoting shoe improves stability. Blade changes are tool-free using the easy access lever, adding speed and convenience. Cordless and powered by a 20-volt battery, it offers freedom and flexibility on any job site. Whether trimming limbs or tearing drywall, this saw gets it done. Lightweight yet rugged, it's ideal for DIYers and pros alike. Improve efficiency, reduce effort, and handle demanding cuts with confidence using Hart's reliable performance. A powerful tool that simplifies switching between drilling and driving boosts both speed and accuracy on the job. Meet the Worx Nitro Switch Driver 2.0, a second-generation 2-in-1 drill driver with a high-efficiency brushless motor offering 25% more power, 50% longer runtime, and 10% more tool life. Its rotating 1/4 inch dual chucks let you switch between bits without delay. The smart digital keypad adjusts torque across 9 levels and easily toggles between drill and drive modes with a 2-speed gearbox, variable trigger, and ergonomic grip zone, providing control and comfort. This lightweight tool is compatible with over 75 tools in the PowerShare platform, delivering next-level performance and versatility on any task. Sometimes essential tools are needed at the most unexpected moments. Convenience and preparedness can go hand in hand. Introducing the SOG Multi-Tool PopGrip, a smart fusion of phone accessory and utility tool. Created in collaboration with SOG, it features a detachable multi-tool with a bottle opener, mini pry bar, and 1/4 inch and 4mm hex bit drivers. Its built-in magnetic twist system secures the tool until needed. This Pop Grip also functions as a grip and kickstand and is compatible with Pop Mount 2, Pop Power, and wireless chargers. You can easily remove the top for wireless charging. Compact yet practical, it's ideal for daily use, travel, or quick fixes, merging convenience, readiness, and modern design in one sleek accessory. Scuffed walls, scratched trim, and paint chips can ruin a clean look. Fixing them quickly and neatly is essential. Introducing the Slobproof Touch-Up Paint Tool, a refillable precision paint pen designed for fast, flawless repairs on walls, furniture, cabinets, doors, and trim. Fill it with any latex paint in seconds using the included syringe for mess-free application. The fine brush tip offers professional-level accuracy on even the smallest marks. Unlike traditional paint tools, this pen keeps paint fresh for over 7 years, always ready for your next touch-up. Eco-friendly, reusable, and easy to store. It's ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and pros. Slobproof's patented tool makes wall repair simple, clean, and efficient. Say goodbye to messy brushes and dried out cans. This is maintenance made modern. Precision soldering demands both accuracy and visibility to ensure strong, clean connections with minimal effort. Introducing the Weller Soldering Gun Kit, designed for fast performance and comfort. With a 6-second heat-up time, it's ready to use almost instantly, saving time on every project. The 3 built-in LEDs provide excellent visibility, reducing tip shadows for better accuracy. Dual trigger positions offer control between high and medium power, heating up to 900 Fahrenheit for various tasks. The co-molded pistol grip features a soft, non-slip handle, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold. Whether you're working on wires, circuit boards, or DIY repairs, this gun delivers reliable results. It's a trusted, ergonomic, and powerful solution for all your soldering needs. Accurately locating studs and hidden wiring behind walls is essential for safe and precise home projects. Introducing the Zircon Multiscanner Stud Finder, a versatile stud finder and wall scanner that quickly locates wood and metal studs, joists, and live wiring. It detects studs up to 1.5 inches deep, showing centers and edges clearly on its backlit display. The patented Spotlight pointer projects an arrow-shaped beam to pinpoint the exact location. Its wire warning feature alerts you to live AC voltage, enhancing safety. With 4 scanning modes, stud scan, deep scan, metal scan, and AC scan, it can detect studs behind thicker walls, various metals, and live wires. A low battery indicator keeps performance reliable. Ideal for DIYers mounting shelves, pictures, or TVs, this scanner delivers confidence, accuracy, and peace of mind. Good lighting is crucial for efficient hands-free work in any environment. Introducing the Nebo Omni Work Light, a powerful omnidirectional light delivering 2,000 lumens with dual COBE panels and a red hazard feature for added safety. Designed for maximum versatility, it features magnetic handles for easy carrying, attachment to metal surfaces, or stable hands-free use. Both the light panels and handles rotate, letting you direct light precisely where needed. With built-in dimmer controls, you can easily adjust brightness for any task. Fully rechargeable, the Omni 2K also functions as a power bank, allowing you to charge USB devices on the go. Durable and multifunctional, it's perfect for work sites, garages, and emergencies, offering convenience, power, and flexibility in one compact tool. A sturdy and portable work surface is essential for efficient and flexible DIY projects. Introducing the Keter Folding Work Table, a durable, versatile bench designed for various tasks. Ready in just 30 seconds with no assembly needed, this lightweight yet heavy-duty table supports up to 1,000 pounds. Its spacious surface provides ample room for woodworking, repairs, crafting, and more. The included 12-inch clamps can be positioned horizontally or vertically to securely hold materials. Foldable and compact, it's easy to transport and store, ideal for small spaces and on-the-go jobs. The table folds flat to save space without sacrificing stability, and secure locking mechanisms ensure safety during use. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, the Keter Folding Work Table offers a practical, strong, and convenient workstation. accessing tight, hard-to-reach spaces is essential for accurate inspection and diagnostics. Introducing the Depstech Endoscope, equipped with a flexible, semi-rigid snake cable that easily navigates narrow areas. Its slim borescope probe, only 7.9 millimeters in diameter, allows access to confined spaces that are difficult to inspect. Ready to use immediately, it shows real-time, high-definition images on a vibrant 5-inch color screen. Perfect for plumbing, automotive, HVAC, and electrical inspections, this camera delivers clear visuals to identify problems quickly and accurately. The dual-lens design improves viewing angles and detail, enhancing diagnostic efficiency. Combining portability, precision, and user-friendliness, this 1080-pixel dual-lens inspection camera is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working in tight spaces. Staying powered during emergencies or off-grid adventures is essential for safety, comfort, and productivity. Introducing the Goal Zero Yeti Power Station, a versatile portable backup power supply that powers devices anywhere. With a large 1,516 watt-hour capacity and a pure 2,000-watt inverter with 3,500 watts surge, it runs phones, laptops, refrigerators, microwaves, TVs, and grills. The Yeti 1500X has 10 ports, a wall charger, and a user guide. Its durable aluminum case and Tier 1 lithium battery provide safe, quiet, long-lasting use with no gas. Pair it with a Goal Zero solar panel for recharging via a 600-watt MPPT controller, boosting solar input by 30%. Perfect for home or travel. Cleaning outdoor surfaces efficiently requires strong, reliable pressure without the bulk of heavy equipment. Introducing the RYOBI electric pressure washer, a compact yet powerful cleaning tool ideal for home use. With a maximum pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, it delivers the strength needed to clean driveways, decks, siding, and patio furniture with ease. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to store and transport, while the durable frame ensures long-term use. The washer includes convenient features like quick connect nozzles for versatile cleaning and an onboard detergent tank for deeper washing. Whether you're tackling seasonal grime or routine maintenance, the RYOBI electric pressure washer offers performance and portability in one efficient solution for homeowners. Mixing tough materials efficiently requires power, stability, and precise control on any job site. Introducing the Flex Mud Mixer, engineered to deliver high performance with ultimate comfort and control. Its ergonomic dual-handle design ensures enhanced grip and stability, reducing fatigue during extended use. The mixer features 2 mechanical gear speeds to power through even the most challenging mixes, while 3 electronic speed modes allow for exact speed adjustments for every material type. Compatible with all standard paddles via its 1/2-inch keyed chuck, it provides secure and versatile operation. Designed to work seamlessly with the Flex battery system, it offers cross-compatibility for the same industry-leading power, runtime, and fast charging found across all Flex tools. Whether you're mixing mud, mortar, or other materials, the Flex Mud Mixer brings control, durability, and serious muscle to your prep work. Accurate leveling over long distances in tough job site environments demands durability, range, and ease of setup. Introducing the Milwaukee Green Interior Rotary Laser Level Kit, built for performance and protection. Engineered to withstand harsh conditions, it survives drops up to 1.5 meters and tripod tips up to 2 meters. The all-in-one remote and receiver features center-find technology for fast, automatic long-range alignment, detecting laser beams up to 1,000 feet. Its simplified menu and user-friendly design make navigation effortless. With amplified rare earth magnets, the receiver securely attaches to steel studs, while the included wall mount allows for quick setup on both horizontal and vertical surfaces with a single dial. As part of the M18 system, it's fully compatible with over 200 solutions, giving you unmatched versatility and reliability on every interior job. Tightening or loosening fasteners in tight spaces requires compact power, precision, and durability. Introducing the DeWalt 12-volt Impact Wrench Kit, engineered for performance in confined and demanding environments. This 3/8-inch wrench delivers 30% more torque while being 30% shorter than previous models, thanks to its efficient brushless motor that maximizes runtime and tool life. With a maximum rotational speed of 2,850 RPM, it tackles tough jobs effortlessly. The 3 mode settings, including Precision Wrench, provide control across various applications. Built-in 3 LED lights illuminate your workspace, and at just 1.73 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The kit includes 2 amp-hour batteries with a state-of-charge indicator for added convenience. Designed for pros who need reliable power in a compact form, DeWalt delivers once again. That wraps up our list of 15 next-level handyman tools that make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Which one impressed you most? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you discover a new must-have, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because we're just getting started with the smartest tools, tech, and gear built for real work.